Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So, the big question here is, we got this little throwback yesterday. We broke out here, haven't we? We come back into this pattern. Okay, so you can see we're sort of backing in, we're sort of coiling up, and something's going to give, isn't it? For XRP trend direction, you're going to come down, lose support. You're going to come up and break resistance, come up to that white trend line. Okay, personally, I think that XRP is trying to get to that point of contact just there. I'm going to show you why, and it sort of marries up with this white trend line retest, and you can see, you sort of come up, there's your point of contact, 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 and sort of another point of contact makes sense for me. But it doesn't mean it's going to happen, but if it does, fantastic, beautiful trade up, fantastic, and it's at that point. If XRP decides to break out and hold some back test support, you're getting your breakout, okay, and you're looking beautiful to come up to that high at least and take it on and put an impulsive break to $4.50. I've shown you all that in previous videos, yeah? So, one thing that we're looking for is breaking resistance and back testing turning support. And just here, we've not got it just yet. We've broken out, we've fallen back, we've failed to hold it as support. So you're not getting a confirmation of a breakout of this level of resistance, okay? Beautiful little throwback, to be honest with you. Coming back, coiling up. Something's going to give, and for me, if you take a look at other coins, they're really dumping and pumping. There's so much volatility, but XRP sort of crabbing, isn't it? It's going sideways. It's a bit stagnant, bit boring, and I do apologise for that. There's nothing I can do about it, but I'm trying to make these videos as entertaining as I can, and trying to be thorough with you. But one thing that we're doing here for XRP, which I find really, really positive, if we switch to the daily time frame just there, I'm going to show you there is a level of resistance that we have actually broken out of, which is what you want to see, and then you want to see the back tested support, and we have got that as well, like we're trying to find here. We're trying to find a break of this resistance, fall back, hold this neckline as support, consolidate, and then boom, you're getting your breakout and you're on that white trend line. Because for me, I think that XRP is trying to get to that point of contact just there. Let me show you. Because what's happened here for XRP, you've been in this downtrend for quite a while now, since November. Okay, you've been coming down, resistance, coming down, resistance, and look at the power it's took just there on that impulse to get out and break this resistance. But what happened when you did break resistance? You broke resistance, you ran into a kilo resistance, and then you've come back and you've actually found that the previous level of resistance, the trend line, as support. You've had a wick down here, okay, creating this trend line just there, but you've had a wick down, but you're holding this support right now. So you've basically got a throwback to support, and you're coiling up, looking for the continuation of the trend, looking to come up to each point of contact of this resistance that you've broken out of right now for XRP. So that's actually quite bullish, okay? That's quite a bullish little thing that XRP is doing there. Now, I'm no Elliott Wave specialist, but what I'm going to do is show you something that I'm looking at to sort of validate, okay, well, XRP potentially has bottomed, okay? If we take a look at the wave counts just there, it's a bit weird, and I'm no Elliott Wave specialist, to be honest with you, and a lot of people say I'm wrong or I'm right or whatever. But for me, look, I'll show you. That was your top just there. You've come down in 1. There's your 2. There's your 3. There's your 4. And there's your 5. That's actually a low just there on, when was that? June, wasn't it? 21st of June, okay? This is a weekly time frame. So you can see you came down in 5 waves. And then you came back up in another 5 waves. So you've got 1 there. You've got 2 there, you've got a 3 there, look at the power of 3, and then look, you've got 4 pullback, and then a final 5th wave, which is a higher high than that, okay? So you've come up in 5 waves, and right now you're coming back down in 5 waves. Do you see this? You have, I can count them. Look, you've come down in 1, then you got your 2, then you got your 3, look at the power of 3, look at the big 3, then you got your 4, and right now there's your 5th and final wave. In my opinion, again, not an Elliott Wave specialist, but you can see you've come down in 5 waves, up in 5 waves into resistance, and down in 5 waves into support, and you're coiling up right now. So potentially this is the formation of a new uptrend, okay? Now, to validate that, what you need to do is come up and break this high, obviously, and break out this kilo resistance, this white trend line. Like I said to you, on the weekly time frame, if we start to see a close above that on the weekly, wow, you could be on your way to that white line, and that's a Fibonacci target 1618 bare minimum, which we always do meet, and right now you're sort of caught up in consolidation over a year long period, okay, for XRP before you actually break out. But it's no guarantees. My Elliott Wave count, I'm not the specialist, I don't know, I'm no expert. That's what I'm trying to say to you. We could be looking at a further 5th wave down, a further 6th, be a 6th wave up and a 7th wave down from my count, but who knows? So anyway, that's XRP. I hope you enjoyed that little update, but what we're looking for obviously is break up. Like just here, you've got a low, you've got a high low, and you've got a high. So technically this is bullish market structure. You're starting to come back up. If you can come up into that level of resistance, okay, and then fall back to this high, amazing, hold support and start to break out, boom, you're confirming a breakout, which is amazing there for XRP. So what I'm going to do is show you on the 8 hourly time frame right now what I'm looking at for XRP, you can see just here, let me show you. So what happened here, you caught up in this ascending triangle, okay? Then you broke out all the way up there. And where did you find support? On this ascending triangle. Look at that. So like I said to you, resistance becomes support. You've confirmed that support, and right now you're breaking out again. You're looking to break this kilo resistance, holding back test of support, and you confirm the breakout up to that white trend line. And this point of contact here, which is around about $1, and that would be an amazing trade, because I think from that point, when you do start to break out and holding back test of support, you know, you're looking at a bare minimal around about 35% long opportunity, you know, which would be absolutely amazing. And you're mirroring this sort of breakout, accumulation, breakout, you know, continuation. But what we want to see is the break and the close on the weekly above this descending trend line, because if we do start to get that, you confirm in a larger trend direction for XRP, which is, you know, taking us up to the previous all-time high and the $4.50 for XRP, and it confirms that this is your local bottom right now, and we have come down in the 5 waves. So again, no Elliott Wave specialist, I'm no, you know, expert on the Elliott Wave theory and things like that, but this is something I'm looking at. You know, I hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support across the board. Thank you. Bye bye.